All right, Landis is driving. We're back out on the lake. Another beautiful day.
I want to get her up to about 3,000.
Stay over that way though. That way we're not waking these guys. There's a bunch of people fishing, so we're not gonna get too crazy. All right, get her going.
I'll get her.
Take her to 4. See, take her up to 4. Stay to the left a little bit. Good driving. Literally minutes now, and Landis caught the. Here,
The
turn it over.
smallest crappie.
Look at the little crappie.
I thought it was a sunfish.
Yeah.
It's so small.
All right, first fish of the day, so that's a good sign. Such a beautiful day. We're seeing a lot. We're only literally just got off the winter launch
We're
here,
literally in the middle of the lake.
and we're in the middle of the lake. Well, let me see your. So we know what we're using. A crappie magnet
in the worm.
with some worms. All right, that's all for now.
Hey guys, I got this big crappie. He almost broke the rod. So come over here to the other side. There we go.
Number 2. All right.
I rigged this like a grub.
Well, he smashed it too, didn't he?
Dad caught a nice crappie.
First crappie for Dad today.
6 ounces.
We did weigh it, 6 ounces. Landis is getting bit. We are in a pretty good school.
Okay, Dad, I think
I'm
have
releasing
one on.
here.
Here, look. I'm getting bit, I think. No. I'm
We're on a pretty heavy school of
not.
fish, crappie, and who knows what else. About 7 foot, 8 foot down. Landis officially stole my fish. I was getting a tug, a tap, a tug, and then he got a bite.
Hey, Dad, where's the scale right here? Here, can you hold them and then pull.
Hold on, back up and I'll just video this. All right. Landis just yanked another one in. He said, hey, Dad, I bet it's going to be 7 ounces. What did it weigh?
7 ounces.
So he guessed it right on.
Nice.
Right now he's winning 5-4. It's all been crappie. So, as you can see, we are quite a distance off the shore, but the lake's still not all the way filled from winter level. So, yeah, we're going at it pretty good right now. 9 fish. We've probably been out here an hour, maybe a little less. So, we'll keep the videos going as long as we keep catching fish.
How did I guess that?
That was a great guess, Lando. And then while we were trying to weigh the other fish, we had another one on. So, yeah, we're hammering them pretty good. We'd be back if we kept catching fish. Another one. So Landis is winning 6-4, so now we're up to 10. And they just keep coming, and they were starting to really bite now. So as
I
you can,
just switched my profile of my worm. Of my worm. I just,
what have you been doing? A wacky style, or oh, you putting it on like a grub?
yeah.
Maybe that's what I'll try. Been into the perch, Landis. How many now? That's a pretty nice size one too. What, about 5 here since we've been here on this little landmass that we started fishing? You gonna give him a kiss? All right. Just some,
There you go.
gone. What are we at now? We keep losing 9 to 8? Or no, 9-9. I think we're at like
Yeah,
18.
9.
Oh, that would have been on video. Been like 18 fish today. It's kind of getting tough to leave. We're supposed to go home and do some landscaping or something. That's all for now. It's jetty here. Rock jetty. Looks like the old railroad bed or old road. We fished here the other day and had some bites, but no luck. We decided to beach the boat, walk down through here. I just had a little bite on a worm.
It
Probably.
wasn't little.
So we'll see. There might be some fish in here. Still stuck at 12 for the day. Any comments?